Have you ever seen an owl perched high in a tree, its head swiveling around almost like something out of a horror movie? It's one of nature's most fascinating and slightly creepy spectacles. But why do they do it? Why can owls turn their heads so far, while we humans would, well, have a very bad day if we tried? Let's dive into the incredible anatomy of the owl. First off, let's bust a myth. Owls can't actually turn their heads a full 360 degrees. That's a bit of an exaggeration. But they can rotate their necks an astonishing 270 degrees in either direction. That means they have a total range of motion of 540 degrees. Imagine being able to look directly behind you, and then some, without moving your shoulders. For us, turning our heads just 90 degrees can feel like a stretch. So, what's their secret? It all comes down to a few brilliant evolutionary adaptations. The primary reason owls need this ability is their eyes. Unlike our round eyeballs that can move around in their sockets, an owl's eyes are more like tubes. They're fixed in place by bony structures called sclerotic rings. These means to look left or right. They can't just shift their gaze. They have to turn their entire head. Their large forward-facing eyes give them incredible binocular vision and depth perception, which is perfect for spotting a tiny mouse scurrying in the dark from 100 feet away. But the trade-off is a very narrow field of view. This head-turning superpower is their solution. Now, for the really cool part, how do they do it without, cutting off their own blood supply? It's a question that stumped scientists for a long time. Researchers at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine finally figured it out. It's a combination of unique bone structure and a specialized circulatory system. First, let's talk bones. Now, has 14 vertebrae in its neck, which is double the 7 that we humans have. This extra length and number of joints give their neck incredible flexibility. These vertebrae also have massive holes, about 10 times the size of the artery that passes through them. This creates a lot of slack and space, so the vertebral artery isn't squeezed or pinched when the owl twists its head. It's like threading a tiny string through a huge pipe. There is plenty of room to move around. But the real magic is in their blood vessels. Owls have a network of backup arteries. If one route gets temporarily constricted during an extreme head turn, other vessels can take over to ensure a continuous supply of blood to the brain. Furthermore, they have special blood-pooling reservoirs at the base of their skull. These pouches collect and hold blood, acting like a reserve tank. So, even if the flow from the neck is momentarily slowed, the brain has a ready supply of oxygenated blood to draw from. It's an ingenious biological fail-safe system. So, the next time you see an owl with its head cocked at an impossible angle, you'll know it's not magic, but a masterpiece of natural engineering. From their fixed, powerful eyes to their extra flexible necks and clever blood vessel system, every part is perfectly designed for their life as silent nocturnal hunters. It's a stunning reminder of the incredible ways animals adapt to survive and thrive in their environment. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of owls. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more cool facts about the natural world, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what animal you want me to cover next. Until then, stay curious.